Hello everyone, it is May 4th. My name is Dan Charles with DailyCoin, and this is the trade of the day. Today's an easy one. Let's take a look. It's the same as yesterday, Dogecoin. So before we get into Dogecoin, let's just take a look, because yesterday I did say that I thought Ethereum was going to pull back, MKR, pull back. And of course, if those pulled back, XMR was leaning more bearish on this one, broke that 400 mark. Binance Coin, I thought if all the other cryptos were going to pull back, this would too. And it pulled back big, totally engulfing yesterday. And lastly, XRP, just Ripple, really got crushed. You can see it hit resistance at that 1.65 yesterday, dropped, and then that set up for the big collapse today. But let's get to today's, which was yesterday's. Now, Dogecoin yesterday, I was saying, let's see if it can close above 0.41. It was pulling back at the time, and it definitely closed above that price. And then today, just huge move. It actually hit exactly 0.60. So we got 0.60 as the resistance. I had in here, is it going to hit 0.50? I was optimistic if it took out the all-time high from April 16th that it would take out 0.50. But it hit 0.60, but it did hit resistance, hitting that exact price. So the way I'm looking at this now, I see this pulling back. 0.50 is going to be support. Let's see if it can hold above that price, but just such a big move, hitting that clear resistance off of 660, pulling back, big range, huge move. You can see the big move before, huge move, pull back, huge move, big range. Just like I said yesterday, with Ethereum and MKR, when you have a good move and you get a huge rangy breakout, that's usually the last day of the move. And that was true with the ones I just pointed out. And I'm anticipating the same thing here. But let's see if it pulls back, it can hold 0.50. But yeah, just incredible move on Dogecoin. Let's take a look at the weekly here. So you can see the weekly, massive week. We had this big week, April 12th week, breakout, pullback. And then last week, the setup for the week here. There's the resistance off of 0.60. And here's going to be our support at 0.50. Yeah, quite incredible for Dogecoin. Let's take a look at the 4-hour. So we can see the 4-hour here. We're starting to rally on the 4-hour after hitting that resistance. We pulled back. We sold off quite a bit. And then here we are in this candle on our way back to at least attempt to test that 0.60. We'll see what happens. Often you'll get this. This will become the lower high. Take a look at this on a smaller time frame. Okay, we got the 1-hour chart here. Yeah, and the 1-hour chart here is 7 a.m. my time, hitting that 60 mark, pulling back. And then here we are, the next hour candle, holding that 50 price. And we're setting up pretty nice to at least attempt to break out. Look, it's looking strong right now. We'll see if it can rally and take that out. But just like I pointed out off the top, it's very rare that you're going to keep going on a move like this, because prices move in certain patterns. They don't just keep going parabolic straight up forever. So they're always going to pull back and consolidate. So you kind of have to gauge a move. So I look at this move from, let's just say 9 cents all the way to 44, and then I got to gauge this breakout here from 33 to 60. It's kind of a similar move. Right now, it's a similar move. We got that 60 resistance. We look like we want to at least come up and rally and test it again. Let's take a look at an even smaller time frame, the 15. All right, here's the 15. Small little ranges, the last three candles here. But yeah, it's definitely looking like it wants to come up and try to test that price. So we will get some resistance though at 58. Support, short-term support is at 56. Because we closed on this candle at 56 and we are holding around 56. So we'll see if we can first bust 58. If this busts 58, then I'll be pretty optimistic it's gonna at least come up and test that 0.60 resistance. But this is the trade of the day. Dogecoin, unbelievable move. And we shall check in tomorrow and see how this and even the ones from last week go. Thank you for watching and have a great day.